to understand the startup ecosystem in India as it's developing. Be part of the Bharat conversation. We talk about all the different sectors, all the insights from experts, and the best part is, if you subscribe to our clips, you get to see all the highlights and the best parts of it in a quick manner.
So like I met a founder. मैंने बोला कि यार राउंड रेस करा था and I do small छोटा एंजल इन्वेस्टिंग, right? It's my way of giving back in the community. तो मैंने उसको बोला कि यार आपने existing से क्यों नहीं पैसा उठाया?
हाँ.
And the guy said नहीं. I said okay, when is your last investor update?
हाँ.
The guy sent an investor update 6 months ago. तो I said यार ये how is this even okay? Like I'm an angel on 35 odd startups. Yeah, you are an angel. How many investor updates do you get in a month? Like I send my update before 10th of every month. That investor update has changed my life.
Yep.
Right? अगर आपने तो that is how I will get top of mind of my angel.
बिल्कुल.
और मैं तो चौड़े में लिखता हूँ, बोल्ड करके, अंडरलाइन करके, asks from investors.
बहुत ही सही.
ये 4 चीजें चाहिए. इस आदमी से मिला सकते हो, ये हायरिंग कर रहा हूँ, इंटरव्यू के लिए टाइम दे दो, कोई और इन्वेस्टर से मिला दो, ये कहीं ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ, तो वेरी क्लियरली बिकॉज दे आर इनंडेटेड यार.
राइट. नहीं बिल्कुल. एंड यू आर ऑल्सो एन एक्टिव एंजल प्रीतेश. सो इन इंडिया यू हैव इन्वेस्टेड क्वाइट सब्सटैंशियली. ऑल्सो बीइंग एन एक्स ऑपरेटर, जैसे उन्होंने कहा फाउंडर एंजल होते हैं, तो एनी इंटरेस्टिंग एंजल स्टोरी दैट यू हैव फ्रॉम देयर?
या जस्ट add to what you guys were discussing. Business में ना there are different stakeholders.
Right.
You have your employees, you have your co-founders, you have your investors, and sometimes you have your customers. And sales, as you said, right, is an ongoing process. तो फर्स्ट बेंट ऑफ माइंड ये बनाने की ज़रूरत है कि आपको इन्वेस्टर के लिए भी एक सेल्स साइकिल की तरह देखना है.
Right.
और वो लोग उस तरह से देखते नहीं है. पीपल, मोस्ट फाउंडर्स, स्पेशली फर्स्ट टाइम फाउंडर्स, सी इट वेरी ट्रांजैक्शनल.
Right.
हमें पैसे लेने हैं, हमें उनको इक्विटी देना है.
Right.
बट all sales is fundamentally built on trust.
Absolutely.
And trust requires time. So बहुत सारे लोग कैपिटल रेज तब करना स्टार्ट करते जब उन्हें पैसे चाहिए. But there are a lot of good founders start raising capital, and as our friend said before the show, always raising capital.
Always raising the right capital from the right people.
Absolutely.
Correct. Because it's a process. It will take time. It will have its own challenges. The earlier you start, the probability of success improves.
Yeah.
एक दैट इज वन एस्पेक्ट जो हर फाउंडर को दिमाग में रखना चाहिए. दूसरा एस्पेक्ट है कि कस्टमर रिजेक्शंस भी होते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
टीम मेंबर रिजेक्शंस भी होते हैं. समटाइम्स यू आर ट्राइंग टू हायर अ स्टार प्लेयर एंड यू डोंट गेट इट. सो यू शुड also see rejections from investors also with that lens. It's part and parcel of building.
Right.
Coming back to anecdotes, I remember we were raising Series A and Zipgo, we reached out to 350.
Oh wow.
I was going through a very, very hard time. Because one was that we had a competitor who was backed by large funds, and so that was stacked against you. And of course, it was an India-only concept, extremely regulated environment. So ये सारे conditions will push you to sort of be more hard, right? It becomes harder for you. So my view is that spirit should be there. You need to continue. And there will be times when things will not work, things will work. अगर आपको अपने you have conviction and belief that what you are doing is great, then you should go to the last stage. You should do whatever it takes to build.
I agree. And actually मैं इस पे ये भी बोलना चाहूँगी, you know, sometimes founders go through, like you both said, very tough times, right? There are times you will get cold messages, and that's fine. कोई और platform नहीं है तो वहाँ से reach out करें. In duress or like, need of cash अगर नहीं होगा तो I will not be able to work out. मुझे लगता है उसको अगर हम थोड़ा सा भी pivot करके, I have seen messages that says, I have been trying to raise capital, this is what I'm building, somehow it's not working out, do you think you could give me 5 minutes to help me figure it out? Conversation is changed. तो ये वो pressure फिर मेरे ऊपर नहीं है कि मुझे आपकी, for the lack of a better word, डूबती नैया को बचाना है, but I just have to directionally figure you out. So it really takes the pressure off of the interaction from the other side also. And you never know. From there, it can obviously go down the route of funding. अगर वो connect अच्छा बढ़ गया. But I really appreciated this message because I said, this person really just wants to figure out कि क्यों नहीं हो रहा.
बिल्कुल.
We hope कि आपको इस क्लिप से काफ़ी वैल्यू मिली होगी और जानने के लिए वॉच द होल एपिसोड.